Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruising Classics here. Check out this beautiful Chevy. It's a 1970 Camaro. This is a Z28 Tribute. Exterior color in copper, which is the factory color. Has the black dual racing stripes on the hood and trunk lid. Beautiful straight car as well. As you see, BF Goodrichs is on all fours. Chevy Rally's on all fours. Those are 15 inchers. And there's a 400 cubic inch engine. Edelbrock carburetor, Edelbrock air intake, as well as the breather. Mickey Thompson Chevy valve covers. Headers that go back to dual exhausts. This car has power steering, power brakes, beautiful engine compartment, in great condition. Make sure you check out the pictures that I'm going to have too at the end of this video of the undercarriage. It's spectacular, clean. Hard to believe that this is a 1970. Very good condition. It does have an automatic transmission, TH350, with the horseshoe shifter that you will see at the end of this video. I'll have better pictures of the undercarriage, the engine compartment, as well as the interior. Black bucket seat interior, 3-spoke steering wheel. Door panels in great condition, center console with the horseshoe shifter. Sunpro aftermarket gauges. Beautiful carpet, great headliner. And those buckets are comfortable as all get out like new, both front and back. Great clean car. Runs good, sounds good, looks good. And of course this has the split bumpers, desired among second-gen Chevy owners, or soon-to-be owners. Once again, 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Tribute. Give us a call here at Cruising Classics. We'll be glad to help you out. And make sure you go to our website, cruisingclassicsinc.com. Check out all the pictures that we have of this, detailed information in this video, and all the other cars that we have in our inventory at this present time. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruising Classics.